Okay, so we go to practical applications. A. Adding lemon to a tea. It is forbidden to squeeze lemon directly into a tea. So this is what we just discussed, liquid into the liquid. So lemon, I mean, it's only like a common example. One who wishes to add lemon to a tea may do so cutting slice of lemon and placing it in a tea. Okay, so I mean it floats by itself. Of course, it is going to give out the flavor, but not as much if you would squeeze it, of course. However, one may not press lemon against the side of a cup, as we explained, even when it is fully immersed in a tea. So that's same with the sponge that we just discussed. One may also squeeze the lemon into the spoonful of sugar, provided that the most of the juice absorbed by the sugar. The mixture may be stirred into a tea. Okay, so commentary. When squeezing fruits on Yom Tov, one may place a cheesecloth around the fruit to retain the pits. See page 67. We did not get to it. So one of the prohibition of sorting, right, separating bad from good, right, or good from bad, is actually, as we said, well, one of the three conditions. So you have to do with the hand. And we said, well, what is it with the hand? Not literally always with the hand. So if I want a piece of chicken, like in a bowl of, in a pot of soup, I'm not going to take it with my hand. Of course, I can take with a spoon, with a ladle or something like with some implements, but it's just for convenience. So it's not a special tool. So a special tool would be, I don't know, what is it called, like spoons, big spoons with holes, like with pepper. That would be for sure forbidden, because it's considered to be special utensil. But on Yom Tov it is allowed. So, and they say you can even use the cheesecloth. So why in a cheesecloth? It's like a filter. So you want only lemon juice, and you're on a pizza, you're on pulps, like only juice, only like a liquid. Okay, so that's another difference between Shabbos and Yom Tov. So on Yom Tov you can use all of the special tools. Okay. B. Making lemonade. As stated above, it is forbidden to squeeze lemon directly into the water. However, one may squeeze lemon juice into the sugar, which will be mostly absorbed, and then stir into the water. That's straightforward, right? Or they sell. I don't think it's very healthy, but they sell this mixture, right? Lemonade, right? You add like few spoons, add water, and you have your lemonade. Okay, so continue. C. Squeezing lemon onto fish. One is permitted to squeeze lemon directly onto fish in order to or other food to flavor them. So as we said, on any salad food, whatever you need to do. D. Eating a grapefruit. Eating a grapefruit is when eating a grapefruit, one must refrain from deliberately squeezing the grapefruit with a spoon to draw out its juice. However, any juice that oozes out while one is eating may be consumed. So common way of eating the grapefruit is with a spoon. So you cut it in half and you take a teaspoon and start eating. So of course, in a process you would squeeze, but if it's not deliberately, there is no problem. You can. If it's not deliberately, so you can eat you can drink the juice. Okay. And last one, removing excess oil or sauce from food. Okay. It is permissible to squeeze the excess oil or sauce from food, for example, tuna or kugel, to improve its flavor. One may use this lid of the tuna can for this purpose. So I mean, this kugel, that's a killer. So if you want to die sooner, that's the best food to eat. Like it's has, so, of course it depends how you do it, but some people do with so much oil, like you normal, so much oil, like it's very not healthy, very not healthy. So and actually, it's as Rambam said, that the person has to be very, very careful about his health or her health. So and as we discussed in Hilchos Dios, like don't do crazy things. So don't do like vitamins, schmitamins, but at least don't eat this food that it's all like known. Of course, it's tasty, like, but it's so not healthy. But of course, they try to squeeze a little oil or a lot of oil to improve the food. Okay, so you can do that. Or this tuna fish. So this, so how you would do it with a tuna can? So you open half of it, not completely half of it, and then you like squeeze a little, right? So you press it. So basically, in this case, it's not even on Shabbos you're allowed to do that because it's not specific utensil to do that. Okay, so it would be permissible. Okay, so we finished the chapter. Any questions on extracting liquids on Shabbos or Yom Tov? Even our topic is Yom Tov, but I think we cover Shabbos as well, just in case. Any questions, or we continue? Okay, no problem. So we continue next chapter.
Rabbi?
Yeah, go ahead. Sorry, go ahead.
Someone has a question. Sorry.
Yes.
Someone raised the hand.
Okay, it's actually not related to squeezing on Shabbos. So I was just wondering, are we allowed to open the tuna can on Shabbos?
Can of tuna or?
Yes.
It's very, very not recommended to do that. So it's proper to do everything before Shabbat, everything, because in some sense there are a few issues that involve. First of all, you create an opening. There's one of the 29 Melachah that you're not allowed to create opening that did not exist before Shabbos, right? And that's exactly what you do here, right? It was like I don't know, sealed, wherever all the cans were sealed, and plus you created a vessel that did not exist before Shabbos, right? So this can, it can be used, I don't know, like an open can you can use to store your nails or screws or whatever, some things. Of course, like maybe today people not going to do it, but in olden days, not olden days, like I don't know, from some time ago, like 20, 30 years ago, or people were not as rich, they would still do it, right? You use all of the coffee jars for sugar to keep other things. Yeah. So like even though the sages said there is a permissible way, like you don't open it completely, only partially, like, but only if it's only with great need, right? Like you have nothing else to do. If it's something extra that you crave it, don't do it, right? But if there is I don't know, person's refrigerator like stop working on Shabbos or before Shabbos, so okay, so you're gonna have refrigerator, nothing, no food, and the only food is the tuna. Yes, so you would be allowed. So you open halfway, you take all the content out, and you throw this can right away. So you show that you had no intention to keep it as utensil or something. And the only reason you created this opening, right? Opening, because you need to get to the food. But otherwise, all of the cans, all of the bottles, all of the packages, we should open before Shabbos, everything. Okay, and it should be, as I said many times, try to be organized, and it should be your rule. So whatever you planning to eat, so put it on that's what we do in my family. So we put all of these things on the countertop. So we're going to eat this, or whatever we decided not to eat. So we're going to survive one Shabbos without. That's not a big deal. Or forgot to open. That's not a problem. Okay. So and then
Rabbi?
yes, yeah, go ahead. Go ahead.
Sorry.
Yeah, go ahead.
Sorry. I was wondering regarding this issue, what happens with let's say a bag of chips, if we're careful to open it without like cutting through any figure or any letter or something like that, would it be allowed? Or is it problematic?
That's amazing question. So something is sealed, right? So there are a few issues with the seal. First of all, there is Melachah of sewing meaning to sew, right, with a needle and the thread, and Melachah of reaping, right? So two separate Melachas of 29 Melachas. So they were sewing the curtain into curtain that covered the Holy of Holies. Because of the insects they would eat through, because it was wool, they would eat wool, and they were like holes, right? That they had to like rip the holes a little bigger and then sew them. So that like sewing is forbidden, and the talada, like extension, like of this sewing is actually gluing. So we cannot take two pieces and attach by any like in any permanent way. So and this potato chips sometimes I stopped eating a long time ago, but I remember some of them like better brands, like it's impossible to open. They sealed so good because I guess to preserve the vacuum or not like whatever like. To preserve the freshness, they were like from a good material, and to open them, it was a big deal. You understand? So in this case, even you're very strong, so it would not be allowed for you to open like this bag of chips. So you would need to take scissors and cut it, and make sure that you throw out the bag. Don't leave the bag. You have to destroy it. Okay. So right. So the scissors is the only way to go. Otherwise, you can damage the writings. Very good question. So and same as other things. People want cereal, this and that. I mean, try to open all of these bags before Shabbos, or otherwise you have to destroy them. Okay. What else?
Thank you, Rabbi.
Yeah, you're welcome. Okay.